It's finally Friday, and it's weather for Weather Geeks time. Thanks for watching, everyone. I really appreciate everyone's support with these videos and everything that I do online. Hope you're enjoying this fabulous Friday. It's just pristine outside. We've got wall-to-wall sunshine, deep blue sky. You can see forever today. It's very comfortable, both in terms of the temperature and the humidity. As I record this a little after 2 p.m., we have a temperature of 66 in Youngstown. It's pushing 70 in some other spots, and most backyards will be around 70 before the end of the afternoon. Dew points are in the 40s, so the humidity is a non-factor. It's just spectacular out there. On the surface map today, we have an area of high pressure. Let me take off the temperatures here for just a second. An area of high pressure which is situated over Boston. We're on the west side of that, so the wind is veering back around or I should say, yeah, veering back around to the southeast right now, and eventually the southwest by tonight and heading into the day tomorrow. And that's going to allow a lot of the warmth that's building out west to come east. So certainly some good news there. As I turn the temperatures back on this afternoon, well, it's not so nice in southwest Virginia, where they are socked in with a southeast wind banking right up against the spine of the Appalachians, which is right here. That causes clouds to form, and it's no higher than about 60 with a lot of clouds and even 50s in the higher terrain down there. So that's not the place to be today. Otherwise, across the country, here's the setup out in the Midwest. Our cold front's out here. There's a warm front, which is kind of in through here. And south and west of that front, hey, it's pushing 90 in parts of Nebraska this afternoon. It's well into the 80s out in the Plain States. Not long ago, they had snow in Rapid City. Now it's about 80 degrees, so remarkable turnaround there. And this is the air mass that's on the move and coming east. Now, we're not going to be 86 or 90 degrees tomorrow, but we've got a good shot at 79 or 80 before the end of the afternoon. And you'll notice how tightly packed together the isobars are, the lines of equal pressure out here across the plains and Midwest. So it's turning windy, and I do think wind will become a little bit of a story here as we head into the day tomorrow. It's unsettled in Florida, and we've had some flooding rains down in the Houston area, leftover tropical moisture producing some rains out in central and western Texas as well. They need the rain, but too much at one time is causing some problems out there, so that's not good news for them. Well, what's going to happen here as we go into the future, I'm going to show you the wind outlook for tomorrow. Let's bring up the NAM model for tomorrow. Now, it's not going to be a terribly windy day tomorrow, but it will be noticeable, particularly if you're on water. If you're going up to Lake Erie or doing anything on water tomorrow. Here's a look at the forecasted wind speeds tomorrow afternoon. Once we get into some of these deeper blues, particularly north of us, the scale over here on the left, well over 20 to 25 miles per hour, and some gusts can get into the 30s. Now, I think the best chance for a 30-plus gusts tomorrow is going to be from Cleveland and Toledo on north, but still, it's going to be a breezy afternoon here for tomorrow. And as I said, temperatures off to the races tomorrow afternoon. Very nice day coming up. What about rain this weekend? Well, here's the latest high-res NAM model, North American model, as we head into the weekend. This is Saturday evening, just after kickoff of the YSU game. The model's just picking up on an increase in clouds here. I don't think these are actual legit showers. This may be legit out here to the northwest tomorrow evening. Now, after the YSU game, as we head into the overnight, so let's bring up tomorrow night right through here. A couple of those showers may try to push in through the overnight, but there's actually a better chance to get wet, I think, on Sunday, especially in the morning. Here's Sunday at 8 a.m. Some showers around here and there. Maybe there's a rumble with thunder. Sunday is not a washout by any stretch. In fact, after a damp start first thing in the morning, we may get a break for a lot of the midday and early afternoon. So we head towards the end of the day as the true cold front pushes through. There may be another kind of outburst of spotty showers and maybe some thunder showers towards evening. So this may come in kind of two waves on Sunday, first thing in the morning, and then maybe one more wave of scattered stuff towards the end of the afternoon on Sunday. So that's kind of the way things look, but far, far from a washout coming our way on Sunday. Real quickly, with a mostly clear sky tonight and into tomorrow morning, if you're an early riser tomorrow morning before sunrise, which is now well after 7 o'clock, you can catch a nice pairing of Jupiter and the moon tomorrow morning. Here's how it'll look in the eastern sky, crescent moon, and then looking up and to the left of the crescent moon, you'll see Jupiter. Clear, nice and bright, this would actually be to the north of the moon, and to the left, I should say, up and to the left of the moon tomorrow morning. So if you're up an early Saturday morning, something cool in the sky to check out. And a quick look at the long range. we've got a really nice stretch of weather coming next week, I think. It's going to start out cool. Behind that front that comes through Sunday, we may be hard-pressed to get much above 60 on Monday. But then, look at the trend, and this may be a little underdone. I think a week from today, which is the 26th, this GFS ensemble model has 74. I could see us being a few higher than that. So I think the second half of next week not only will be sunny, but it's just going to be gorgeous as well. If you like what's outside today, you're going to love the second half of next week as well. I think we're in for a real treat after a cool start next week. Well, thank you for watching Weather for Weather Geeks. I hope you have a great Friday night. Hope you have a great weekend. Be sure to watch our newest member of our weather team, Andrew DiPaolo. He is doing the weather on WFMJ Weekend today, tomorrow morning, and on Sunday morning as well. Mike Joyce will be in the evening. They'll have you covered, and I will see you right back here on Monday. Have a good weekend.